Hi everyone, my name is Olga. Today I will show you how to add brim support to a hat. I've crocheted a child's raffia hat, but I had to undo the last round where I used a circle of trimming line. I ran out of my favorite Ridgeline, so I bought this trimming line as recommended on the internet, wrapped it with raffia to hide the bright color, and connected the ends with a heat shrink tubing. It looked neat, but do you see how the joint behaves? I have a short video reviewing materials, and you can find the link on the screen. Now let's redo this round with Ridgeline. Let's remove this spool. From the Ridgeline tape, I separated one strand. You can make a single strand circle by roughly determining the diameter, laying it along the edge, and simply crocheting around it for one round. It's not difficult. But now we'll make a double strand circle. To do this, add the loop and crochet around both strands. Here we see one end, and here is the other end. Hold the two strands along the edge and crochet over them as you single crochet in each stitch. As you can see, our double strand circle stays inside the stitching. Continue this way around the entire round. Let's crochet a bit more together. As you go, adjust both your crocheted work and the Ridgeline circle to match the desired shape of the brim. Now I reach the end of the round. Here are the two ends of the Ridgeline and here is the circle. At this point we shape the brim. You can stretch the circle so the brim lies almost flat. Make sure the ends of the Ridgeline don't run inside. It's better to hold the short end and use the long end to increase the diameter evenly. You can also tighten it to make the brim more bell-shaped. So the shape of your head brim depends on the diameter of the Ridgeline circle. This is a child's head. You can make a front turn up for comfort or leave the brim down if you prefer. So, right now is the time to shape your brim. I've adjusted it to the desired diameter. Now we need to connect the ends of the Ridgeline. Here is a circle and the two ends. Measure about 3 centimeters from end and cut the strand off here. Then secure it. I usually use tape. Take a small piece and wrap it around to keep the end from shifting. Do the same with the other end. All done. Smooth everything out and finish the round with single crochets. Then pull the loop through and cut the yarn, leaving a short tail. Now we just need to make an invisible fasten off. Insert your hook under two loops of the next stitch and pull the tail through. I'll use a smaller hook. We need to bring the tail back into the last single crochet. Insert the hook from bottom to top through the back bar and pull the tail through. This closes the round. And now we need to even the tail on the front side and trim it. Now we have a closed head, which can be worn with a turned up brim. Or you could make a flat brim like border head. Comment below how you add brim support. I'm very interested in what materials crocheters use in other countries. I hope you found this video helpful. Subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye bye.